Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make phone charm with beautiful crochet heart. So let's start. First I'll teach you how to make magic ring in very simple manner. Okay, take your yarn and crochet hook. This time I'm taking crochet hook 4.5 and accordingly you can take the yarn. So let's start. Hold the yarn around your finger like this. Okay, this is the small end, this is the big end. Wrap around your 3 fingers like this. You will get one kind of cross. Simply you will make slip knot. Okay, if you are a beginner, you can watch my videos, basic crochet stitches. So once you make the slip knot, do not finish here. Okay, hold the long yarn upward and make a chain just tight it. You will get magic ring, and in order to see if it's correct, just make 3 or 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we go. Now take the small end, okay, and pull. If it is getting tightened, then your magic ring is ready. Okay, so let's make heart now. Now I'll start with magic ring. What I'll do, take my yarn, wrap around my 3 fingers, and I'll make a slip knot. I won't finish here. Okay, I'll hold it like this and I'll make one chain. Okay, so my magic ring is ready. Now I'll make the pattern. Okay, so first we have to make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. After that, you have to make 3 triple crochet. Okay, I have already taught this in my video. You can check that video. And you have to make it tight. How to make it tight? Just pull near to the chain. After 3 triple crochet, you have to make 4 double crochet. Okay, 4 double crochet. After 4 double crochet, what you have to do, just pull little, okay, just pull little that loose end or the short end. Okay, so to chain, 3 triple crochet and 4 double crochet. What you have to do, you have to make 2 chain, 1 and 2. Okay, after this 2 chain, you have to make 4 double crochet. Okay, now what you will do, you will pull this loose end to tight this, okay, little bit, not completely, little bit. Okay, after this you can make 3 triple crochet. After this 3 triple crochet, you have to make 3 chain. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Then now what you will do? You will pull this loose end completely as much as you can. Okay. Once you finish pulling this loose end, you can make slip knot in the last stitch. Okay, here. See here, in between this, make a slip knot. Okay. Once it is done, you can cut the working yarn and pull through this slip knot. You can pull through this slip knot. Okay, then make it tight. Give the shape to your heart. Now tie this both the end. And okay, so your heart is ready. I'll just cut this thread. Now your heart is ready. So let's make the phone charm. For making the phone charms, you require this plastic string. Okay. The length of the string should be more than the required so that you can tie the knot easily. Okay, what I'll do, make a loop and put it inside the circle. Okay, once you get this here, okay, pass through this double end from here. So you will get a knot here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, yeah. Now I'll thread the beads according to my pattern. Go. Now I will thread the beads according to my pattern. Okay, this is my pattern. I'll follow this till I reach the required length. Okay, what you have to do, you have to go reverse in the thread. Okay, see this way and tie it here. Make a knot here. Now I will cut the extra string. Okay, in the middle I'm going to put this keychain string. See this way, and my phone charm is ready. Okay, you can alternate the colors or create a repeating pattern for a beautiful look. With this heart, you can even make the keychain. Okay, thank you.